Greetings and hello. On today's video, we're going to talk about how to create an ebook cover using Canva in about 5 minutes. So get ready to learn right now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to Canva. So you want to go to canva.com. And then when you get to Canva, you want to click on Create a Design, this button right over here. And in the search, you want to type ebook cover, and ebook cover will pop right up. So you want to click on that. And what's going to happen here is Canva is actually going to give you a myriad of different templates that you can choose from as it relates to your ebook cover. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is mosey on through and browse all of these different designs and figure out what one you would like to use. Well, let's use File Play. Okay, now I'm not doing an ebook about file play, so the first thing I'm going to want to do is probably get rid of these images right here. And what we're going to also do is get rid of this, get rid of this overlay. And then what I'm going to want to do is put my image here. Now, what my ebook is going to be all about is 7 tips on how to grow healthy hair. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is look for a nice photo. And my healthy hair is going to be about Black women's hair. And as you can see, I'm going to type in here, Black woman hair. Okay. So you click Black woman's hair, and then you're going to get all of these nice images. Well, this is one I like, and I also like this one, but we're going to use this one for this particular ebook. So when you bring it on in over here, one of the things you're going to see is that you can actually put the image in so that it fits the whole screen, right? And that's something that I'm going to want to do. I want the image to really cover the whole screen. Okay, the other thing you could do is get rid of the black and just put this in like so. Now you see how that's nice, big, and pretty. The next thing I'm going to want to do is change the type. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to delete this, but I'm going to keep this, and maybe I'll make this my name and change the color to something that will pop like a white. And then in this area, I'm going to change the name of the ebook to, I want it to be 7 tips, I'm just going to say tips for healthy hair. Now you can see this is like really crazy big, so one of the things I'm going to do is make the type a little bit smaller so that it can fit. Okay, and then right here for the name, I'm going to just move this over a little bit and change the name. I'm going to put my name as, you know, Toni Coleman-Brown, and I'm just going to say by Toni Coleman-Brown. Okay, and then as you can see, it's kind of going over a little bit, so what I'm going to do is, you know, like stretch that out so that it can fit. And then I have tips for healthy hair, not tip, and I want it to be 8 tips for healthy hair. So maybe I might want to shrink this also a little bit so that I could possibly get healthy in hair on the same page, and maybe I'll make it centered and make it just a tad bit smaller. And then what I'm going to do is, because I want it to be 7 tips, I want to use a nice element for the number 7. Okay, so I'm going to type 7 here and see what comes up. You know, I really kind of like this circle, so I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to put it here. And what I will do is with the circle is I'll change the outside color so that it matches the color that I have here with the font. So now I have 7, maybe I can make it a little bit bigger so it'll pop. 7 tips for healthy hair. So that's how you make a cover image for an ebook. Just that fast. And then when you're ready, you want to change the name, right? You might want to call it 7 tips, right? And then you can just download it to your computer. You press this download button and press download. So see how fast I made that ebook cover? And it looks great. So Canva is something that you can use to create ebook covers all the time. It's a tool that I use, and as you can see, within a few clicks, you can have a nice, beautiful ebook cover. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you share so that you can show other people some of the great things that they can do with Canva. So make sure that you subscribe and share and come back to this channel often so that you can get more tips on digital tools that you can use to enhance your business. See you on the next video. Take care and bye now.